What if a single $10 daily habit, the same money you spend on coffee or lunch, could grow into a $50,000 plus portfolio? $10 a day may sound small, but as a habit, it becomes a financial superpower. This is one of the most important positive habits you can take. If you're ready to stop feeling overwhelmed and start building, show your commitment by subscribing and turning on notifications. The build starts now. Habit number 1, the wow math, the power of compounding. Why $10? Because of the magic of compound growth. Saving $10 a day is a good start. Investing $10 a day can be a transformative experience. Let's look at the 2 paths. Path 1, you save $10 a day. You find $3,650 a year and stick it in a simple savings account. After 10 years, you have $36,500. That's a great emergency fund. After 20 years, you have $73,000. Good. Path 2, you invest $10 a day. You take that same $3,650 a year, $300 a month, and put it in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. The data. The historical average annual return of the S&P 500 is around 9 to 10%. Let's use 9% for our educational example. After 10 years, you don't have $36,500, you have over $58,000. You contributed $36,500. The growth was over $21,500 plus. After 20 years, you don't have $73,000. You have over $200,000. You contributed $73,000. The growth was over $127,000. The goal isn't just to save, it's to build a machine where your money makes more money. Habit number 2, the future bill mindset, the psychology. The number 1 reason people fail is saying, I don't have an extra $10 a day. That's a mindset problem, not a math problem. The concept, stop treating savings as something you do with leftover money. There's rarely leftover money. Consider treating savings as your most important bill. It's a mindset shift that works for many. The action, the bill to your future self. Your rent is a bill, your electricity is a bill, your phone is a bill. Starting today, you have a new non-negotiable bill, the $70 per week bill to your future self. This bill is your top priority. You pay it before you pay for Netflix, before you pay for takeout, and before you buy that thing on Amazon. It's a $300 per month payment for your financial freedom. When you frame it as a bill, not a choice, you stop debating it. You just pay it. This mindset shift is the key to unlocking the whole system. Habit number 3, the cash leak audit. How to find the $10. The $10 is already in your budget. It's just leaking out. The data. According to the latest 2025 Bureau of Labor Statistics data, the average American household spends over $3,500 a year on food away from home. That is $9.58 per day per household. Your $10 is literally being eaten at restaurants and coffee shops. The action, find one leak and plug it. You don't have to change your whole life. You just need to find one of these. The coffee hack, that $7 coffee and muffin combo, make it at home. You just saved $6. You're more than halfway there. The lunch hack, the average takeout lunch is $15. Brown bagging it twice a week saves $30. That's $4.28 per day. The one less rule, one less beer at the bar, $8 savings. One less delivery app order, $25 savings. One less impulse add to cart item, $10 savings. The wait 24 hours rule, for any non-essential purchase over $20, put it in your cart and wait 24 hours. 90% of the time, the urge will pass. That's found money. You don't need to change your whole life. Just redirect $10 a day. We've done the math, fixed the mindset, and found the money. This is the blueprint. If you're ready to automate it, hit that like button. Habit number 4, the automation engine, the system. Habits can fade, but systems often last longer. You won't manually save $10 a day. It must be automated. The concept, you will pay your future self bill automatically just like your other bills. The action, the day after payday transfer. Open a new account. You need 2 buckets. Bucket 1 is your normal checking account. Bucket 2 is a separate online high-yield savings account. In 2025, these accounts are paying over 4.5% interest, so your savings start to grow immediately. Calculate your transfer. You get paid what, weekly, bi-weekly? Let's say bi-weekly. Your bill is $70 a week, so your automatic transfer is $140. Set the automation. Go into your bank's app, set up an automatic recurring transfer for $140 from your checking to your HYSA. The magic timing. Schedule this transfer for the day after your paycheck hits. Paycheck lands Thursday, the transfer happens Friday. Paycheck lands Friday, the transfer happens Saturday. This ensures the money is gone before you even log in to check your balance. You won't miss it. The system saves the money for you. Habit number 5, the Accelerator, from saving to investing. Your HYSA is the staging ground. Rung 1, build a $1,000 emergency fund. Keep it safe. Rung 2, surplus fund. Once you pass $1,000, the extra becomes investable. Educational step. Explore a Roth IRA. Contributions grow tax-free. Surplus can be invested in diversified index funds like S&P 500 or Total Market. Your automation fills the HYSA, and every few months, you move surplus into investments. Based on historical averages, $10 a day could potentially grow into roughly $58,000 in 10 years and over $200,000 plus in 20. That is the 5-habit system. You understand the wow math of compounding, you adopt the future bill mindset, you find the money by plugging cash leaks, you build the automation engine with an HYSA, you build the accelerator by learning about investing. The $10 habit is more important than the amount. If you can only do $5 a day, start there. The goal is to build the habit and the system. That's what builds real, lasting wealth. I'm curious to hear from you. What is the one cash leak you can plug this week to find your $10 or $5? Using the math, what is your 10-year savings number? Just seeing it can be a powerful motivator. Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.